Morning guys, well here we are again, we're back on the trains, this time with Western Champion at the helm again. It's called the Golden Hind. It's a special trip. This goes from Birmingham Snow Hill to Paddington and Paddington to Plymouth. It's 10 to 7 and should be coming in about 10 minutes time, and should be another good day, but it's nice and warm, thank God. I've got a table for two this time, but there's no spare 4 tables, so I'm going to stay here. So my producer's going backwards, unfortunately, and he's going to have to suffer that going back to Banbury tonight and all. Are you going to say hello to the folks?
Yes, we're horsing along.
No, we're not.
We're horsing along. It's a lovely day.
Yes, it's beautiful.
It's a long day though.
Right, we now just got our breakfast, and like happens every single time, you've got some more sausage.
Oh, I've got some sausage today, guys. Yes, I've got a big sort of fat sausage with scrambled eggs, fried tomato, mushroom, and a bit of green stuff.
Yeah, because you like your sausage, don't you? You like your sausage.
The producer always horses this out. I don't know why he keeps emphasising the sausage. Yeah, I do like my sausage a lot. It's very, very nice.
I think we better cut there.
Yes, I think we better.
And you can start tucking into your sausage.
Yes, people think all they mention is a sausage all the time. We're on the slow line, see guys. We're on the slow line. And that was a GWR fast train on the fast line. We're on the way to Paddington now, we just left Reading. There's the Western there, if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Now we're going the other way because we're going to go to Paddington, so the 37's pulling us back and the Western's staying where it is.
now we're at Paddington. So this is first stop in Paddington. This is the lead vehicle at the moment, or was, 37240. And now the Western Champion will take over. We better get back on the train because it leaves in 5 minutes. Well, so,
Well, time with the train going fast, love.
well, it's now cider o'clock.
It's cider
There we
o'clock,
go.
guys. And it's, we've got old field.
Another train going by.
Another train going by. Hang on a minute.
Too good
Right.
fast. Okay, cider
It's out on
o'clock.
the fast line, see. It's cider o'clock with old field cider, guys. And it's, what proof is it?
4.5.
4.8% this one.
So, yeah.
Not as good as general, but it'll do.
And we've got ice as well to keep us cool because it's very, very hot.
It's very hot today.
Really hot
So I'm
today.
washing this now because of drinks. Because it's really good here.
Okay. Cheers, Fiona.
Cheers, guys. Okay, guys. We're doing 90 mile an hour now, so I'll force the camera out so you can see what it's like. Hello! Western Champion at 90 mile an hour.
Excellent. Different people looking out for Western Champion. The photographs of her all the way along.
Producing been doing some good filming.
I hope so.
Because I've been up to speed to the WLA guys in the first class area, and I've been chatting to them. So I've gone back now and it looks like Pete's been doing some good filming for you. So. we're in Plymouth now, and obviously this is where Western St John's to the other end. We leave in under 3 hours, so we've got a few hours to kill here, so we'll probably go for a drink and stuff. And yeah, it's covered in flies because it's horsey. It's really horsey. So yeah, great journey down there, and catch you on the way back. Lovely weather till as well. Okay guys, we're back on the train, and we're going to be leaving Plymouth in a minute. So we've got the Westerns just at the front of us now, so we're second coach back. So obviously it's going to be better for horsing and listen to lots of noise.
It's now Prosecco time and Vino Clock.
Yes, it's 9 o'clock now, guys. And the Prosecco, all in the same glass. And there it is. Cheers, guys.
Right, we now got our dinner, main course. No pork though, Fiona. No pork, no pork. So we got chicken, carrots, mashed potato, and vino.
That was Langley we just went through. We're not far to go now to Paddington. So what we're going to do at Paddington, Pete's going to get out, the producer, and go and film at 37 we put on the front. That will take us back to Banbury, I think. was stuck at rest straighten at the time then, guys, for about 25 minutes. Apparently there's been a major signal failure up ahead. So this just got me a last bit of horse, which is good. Yeah, so obviously now it will be Paddington next time I see you.
Okay, we're now at Paddington, and this is where it all changes. Because the champion is going to be uncoupled and remain here, and the 37 is going to take us onwards to Banbury, where we get off, but then after that carries on to Birmingham Snow Hill. So yes, I'm here at Paddington. You can see the champion in the background. This is a statue of King and Brunel. So yes, very apt in the station. Yes, this is Paddington here. You don't see many westerns here at all nowadays. We'll go to the champion. We'll just see her before we actually go to the 37, where it's going to take us on our return journey. Going to say bye to Fiona for a very short time. I'll go and see the 37 at the other side. Well, we're at the other end, but the 37 not here yet, so that will be due in. That's the one we took photographs of earlier. So she'll be coming in shortly to couple up and then take us on. Take about half an hour apparently before we actually move on. So I think we'll say goodbye from here until the 37 hooks up. This is 37240, which is going to be hooking up and take us on back to Banbury. Then we'll carry on to Birmingham Snow Hill. Now we're going to hook up. So 37240, she's going to pull us all the way to Banbury.
Guys, that's it now till we get to Banbury. It's too dark to film it now. Did you get the horn? Royal wave home to the next train over here. But yeah, see you later guys. Guys, that's the end of the day and we've just got off the 37 and just going out now, so I'll speak after she's got it. great end to a great day. Right, oh, Weston's on the back. I thought she was not coming.
We thought she was not.
I thought she was staying in Paddington.
Yeah, no, she stayed at Congo.
Amazing. Oh, well, there you go. See you on the next one, guys. It's been a great day. Bye.